Students, now I'm explaining you the part 2 of the chapter Reach for the Top. Now we will be doing Maria Saprov, a Russian girl. Maria Saprov is the story of her success as she became the top women tennis player in the world. Motivates us. She overcome all the hurdles and bore humiliations to in order to achieve her dream. Maria's hunger for success and her competitive spirits kept her going. Now, the first one. There is something till the pinnacle. There is some quality in contrast to Maria, smiles and glamour, which makes her likable. It is a quality that helped her to achieve success as she attended world number 1 position in women's tennis on Monday, 22nd August 2005. Maria's calmness and elegance is beyond her age. She was born in Siberia, Russia, and as a teenager, she took only 4 years of training to become the top women tennis player. Now, the further explanation, however, till prize. The fast growth of her career started 9 years ago when she made a big sacrifice which can be made by very few children of that young age. She had not even turned 10 when she was sent in Florida, USA with a father of training in tennis. She was extremely sad as she had to spend 2 years separation from her mother, Yelena. Maria's mother was forced to stay back in Siberia because she did not have the permit to travel to the US. At the tender age of 9, Maria learned that in order to excel at tennis, she would have to make many sacrifices. Now I used till either. Maria recollects that she used to remain alone and missed her mother a lot. Her father worked hard to fetch money for her needs, and so he also could not meet her because till the next page, clean it. Maria was very young and so she would go to sleep at 8. The other students would return at 11 and would wake her up, ordering her to clean the room. Next, fifth one, instead of till dream. Maria did not get depressed of all this. Instead, she became determined and mentally tough. She took care of herself. She never thought of leaving the training because she was determined to achieve her aim. When a person has nothing, he craves and becomes determined to get it. She says that she would have borne greater humiliations and insult also in order to achieve her dream. The toughness till here. Maria returns her determinations till present day. This determination led her to grab the women's singles trophy at the Wimbledon Championship in 2004, followed by the rapid climb to the top position in 2005, while her journey till success. Tennis fans feel emotional to know about Maria's journey from the frozen region of Siberia, but she is not moved. But she is not moved by it. She gave straight answer when questioned about her aims, which implied that she accepted that the hurdles and challenges she faced were worth the result that she got. She adds that she is competitive and work hard as she considered it to be prior as a part of the work. This Maria's secret of success. Though till want me. Maria's speech has an American accent, but she is proud to be Russian. She says that USA is a big part of her life because she trained there, but in corner of her heart, she is a Russian. She holds the citizenship of Russia. Her ancestors are Russian and she is willing to represent Russia at the Olympics too. Like till drinks. Like other teenagers, Maria's favorite pastimes are fashion, singing, and dancing. She likes to read novels written by Arthur Conan Doyle, she creator of Sherlock Holmes. She likes to wear fashionable evening gown. Looking at her fit body, it is unbelievable that she likes to eat pancakes with chocolate, spreads and drink aerated orange flavor drink. Now Maria till the last line, me going. Maria cannot be put into a particular category. Her talent, urge to succeed, and sacrificing nature help her to reach the top position in women's tennis. No one will opposite the benefit that she is getting now because she made many sacrifices to get them. She says that money does motivate her to work hard. Tennis is both a sport and a business, but the most important aspect for her was to reach the top spot in women's tennis. It was the dream that kept her working further. Thank you, students.